Alright guys, for buying this course you have to register yourself on blockchain.com. After you're registering, you can log in this website. Okay, loading, login. When you register yourself on blockchain.com, you can buy any coin, okay? So go on section Ether and buy for $100 Ethereum. Next, and pay it with credit card, Visa card or PayPal, whatever. When you pay it, you can send it to my wallet ID. I show you now. When you buy it for $100 Ethereum, you can send it to my wallet ID. Okay, paste my wallet ID, put in 400 and continue. When you send Ethereum to my account, send that screenshot to my direct message in Instagram and I'll give you your valuable course. Take care, dude. I love you.